I just want to touch base with you all. I mean, we just had a quiz due, a couple sections. Overall, I think we did pretty good. Law sines, law cosines is difficult. I mentioned that in my last video after the midterm, and I really stressed the importance of getting busy immediately. Okay, when I gave that midterm video, not to wait. Because of the difficulty of the topics. So there still are some, as I look back at the grades, that, didn't begin their work till, Thursday, and everything's due Monday. And so I really got to stress the importance of not doing that. It's hard to try to learn all these difficult topics and then try to get help in a 4-day period, especially when you got a weekend. I was busy all weekend, so I wasn't on my email like I sometimes am. And then the quiz is due Monday. So, stop doing that if you are guilty of that. If you are a procrastinator, you've got to stop procrastinating. Partly it's my fault, so I will be changing that in the future. I will make sure that I give more frequent due dates and then earlier so students get busy on their work. Okay, I guess I got to save you from yourself. But the reason why I am a little bit more liberal on when things are due is because I understand some of y'all work and you may not have time every week to work, but that's going to be the future. So that's what's going to happen because I can't, in good conscience, watch you all do what you're doing. Some of you, and then not do anything about it. Okay. So anyway, get busy on what's coming up because there are some more difficult topics. The second half of this class tends to be more new stuff and difficult. We've got a chapter of complex numbers. They can be a little bit difficult, a little bit hard to understand the way they're written. The way they're graphed. So get a head start on it, start working. That way it gives you plenty of time to ask questions and get help with the topics you're struggling with. Don't wait, till, a week from Friday to start working on this stuff. And, you're going to be, again, trying to catch up and then panicking. So, stop doing that. If you're a procrastinator, you have got to force yourself to do something this week. Hopefully you're watching this video. Usually the ones that need to hear this aren't watching it. So we'll see. But I'm trying to help you be successful. And usually people that wait till the last minute to do stuff aren't successful. Some are. Not, some of you may be fine. Others are not, especially when you need help. So please, try to get ahead on this next section, before the next quiz. And, then you've got exam 3 coming up. There's lots of things coming up in the future to prepare for. Then you got the final to prepare for it. So, maybe today, turn over a new leaf and do something. Do an assignment this week. Do 2 assignments this week. And then kind of get ahead of the game a little. Okay. So, as always, there's video help available. There's sample problems. Now, we don't address everything, but most topics are covered and most things are shown how to do. So if you get stuck on something, refer to those videos and notes. And then if you're still just not seeing it, shoot me an email. I do the best I can to explain things over email, but normally I'm going to be sending you something similar to what's already been done up there, which is fine. I mean, you just may need to see another one, but it's not going to be much different because it's really hard to help over email. Now, there's always possibilities that we can do Skype. I've never Skyped much or collaborate or something like that, but I think you have to have a webcam. I'm not sure how that works, but I'm open to that. If you really need some one-on-one help, maybe we can somehow manage to, do something like that. So anyway, I'm open to suggestions. I'm open to a lot of things, but, please get busy on stuff. Okay. So I don't want to keep you too long. So I'm right at 5 minutes now. So I'm going to stop this, but try to, you know, if you're a procrastinator, if you're one of those people that's waiting until the last minute to do stuff, how about we change it for this section? Let's see how that works. Okay. So anyway, have a good day, and we'll be talking to you soon.